Hello, friends. How are you today? Welcome to Mr. English Voice. Today, in this episode, I am going to share with you one powerful habit that can help you speak English fluently. Yes, only one simple habit. You don't need a teacher, you don't need a speaking partner, and you don't need expensive English classes. If you follow this one habit every day, your English will improve. Before we will share my story, so know better understand about this habit.
My story. Let me tell you something about myself. I studied English for 10 years. Yes, 10 long years. I passed exams, I learned grammar rules, I knew many English words. But still, my English was not good. When I tried to speak, I made many mistakes. It sounded like this. Yesterday I went to market, I bought vegetables. Slow, broken, confusing. I forgot simple words. I mixed past, present, and future. Everything was confused in my mind. Maybe your English is also like this. You start speaking, then you stop. You think in your language and then translate into English. And by the time you find the right words, the conversation is already over. Or maybe you understand English very well when you watch movies or read books, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out. Your brain stops. Your mouth does not work. So now I tell you about a big chance. After that, my speaking English was fully changed, and now I am talking fluently. I will share a simple habit before we want to know how to do it. What are the things that are essential for speaking fluent English? Let's first understand them.
The big change. This was my life for many years. But one day, something changed. I found one simple habit, and this habit changed my English completely. I am not talking about perfect English. I am not talking about speaking like a native speaker. I am talking about fluency. What is fluency? Fluency means you can speak easily. You don't stop again and again. Words come to your mind quickly. You don't translate. You just speak naturally. You can share your ideas. You can tell stories. You can talk with confidence. Today's promise. In this video, I will tell you what this habit is, how to do it step by step, real examples, why it works. By the end of this video, you will have a clear and simple plan. No confusion, no fear, no broken English. Only one habit that can change your English. So please watch till the end. Don't skip, because every part is important. The one habit. So what is this habit? This habit is called self-conversation in English. Yes, it is very simple. You just talk to yourself in English every day. Talking to myself? That sounds weird. I know what you're thinking. Talking to myself? This is strange. But listen carefully. This is one of the most powerful methods to learn speaking. More powerful than apps, more powerful than books, more powerful than classes. Why? Because you get daily speaking practice. No teacher needed, no partner needed, no money needed. Only you, your voice, and 15 to 20 minutes. Wrong way versus right way. Let's understand with a simple example. Wrong way. I am making tea. Only one sentence. No thinking, no practice. Right way. Okay, I'm going to make tea now. Where is the tea? Oh, here it is. Should I make green tea or black tea? Green tea is healthier, but I like black tea more. Okay, today I will try green tea. Let me boil the water first. See the difference? You are thinking, asking questions, giving opinions, making decisions. This is real English speaking practice.
Why this habit works. 1. You speak every day. Speaking is very important. Without speaking, you cannot become fluent. 2. No fear, no pressure. No one is watching you. You can make mistakes freely. 3. You think in English. Slowly, your brain stops translating. You start thinking directly in English. 4. Words become automatic. You don't search for words. They come naturally. 5. Practice anytime, anywhere. Walking, cooking, traveling, anytime. 3 levels of practice. Green, level 1, daily life talking. Talk about your daily actions, but with details. Example, I am getting ready. I bought this shirt last week. I like this color. It looks nice. But maybe blue is better. I'm not sure. Add feelings, thoughts, opinions. Do this for 1 week. Yellow, level 2, fake conversations. Create situations. Example, restaurant. Can I see the menu? Yes, here it is. What do you recommend? Our special dish is very good. You play both roles. Do this for 2 weeks. Red, level 3, think out loud. Pick a topic and talk for 5 to 10 minutes. Example, mobile phones. Mobile phones are very useful. I use my phone every day, but sometimes I waste too much time. Just keep speaking. Don't stop.
Your action plan. Step 1. Fix a daily time. Step 2. Practice 15 to 20 minutes daily. Step 3. Follow levels step by step. Step 4. Don't stop when you make mistakes. Step 5. Record your voice once a week. Step 6. Make it fun and easy. Final message. This one habit can change your English. No teacher, no partner, no money. Just you and your daily practice. Start today. Right after this video, talk to yourself for 5 minutes. Don't wait. Don't think too much. Just start speaking. And remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. So now you can understand about this habit. I hope next video we learn more powerful about learning and speak English better. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to English Talk Daily. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking.